How do we get from Nassau to Ragged Island? They use a small ass plane. They're scary. You're gonna fly into Ragged Island and then somehow sneak onto Mr. B.
Let's get a sketchy ass plane.
But it wasn't going to be that easy. Turns out flying during hurricane season comes with a lot of risks.
We're going to be on a really small plane, and the weather right now is not looking good. Yeah, I can literally see them monitoring the weather there. Basically, just have to wait until there's a tiny clearing and then try and get beyond some thunder and lightning and rain.
In a tiny, tiny plane.
This is like the most expensive flight I've ever bought, and it's also the smallest plane I'm ever gonna be on.